Hi everyone, welcome to PikuArtify. I'm so happy you're here. This channel is all about fun and easy drawing tutorials for kids and beginners. Let's get started.